reported error for the visualization not found. It's not an error, but a thing to do basically. So what the logic is, in order for Skedler to create out reports from your Kibana, the visualization inside your dashboard must be saved to the library. So here is just a test dashboard and there is one visualization. So currently it's not saved to the library, as you can see over here, and there is nothing. So if I go to Skedler and as in this scenario and try to create out a visual report in the same dashboard, I would encounter the pop-up that you saw and reported via an email. That is the visualization not found and added to the Kibana library. All you need to do over here is navigate to your Kibana dashboard, go to settings, click on more, save it to the library. You must already be familiar with this process and give it a save. Once you save the visualization to library, you will notice an icon like this over here, and then you need to do is save the dashboards. So once the dashboard is saved, what difference it's made? You go back to the same report in Skedler. You can either create a new or you can just give a refresh to this one. So you will now be able to see the visualization that is in your dashboard. Drag and drop. Choose a time range. So let's say 1 year. So it has some data. Give it a save. And now when I preview it, I would be able to see the desired report out of it. So yeah, here you go. So all you need to do is save the visuals to the library in Kibana and you would be able to create out Skedler reports. Thank you.